For the initial backup of our Gaia system, we have a couple of options. We can launch it from the web user interface and also from the command line. We can also schedule jobs so that the backup will happen, for example, periodically, once a week or once a day, based on the schedule that we set up. So let's connect to our checkpoint appliance. We'll use the web user interface to do that. We'll log in as admin. We'll supply the admin password and click login. From here on the left, we'll scroll down, and beneath maintenance, we have the option for system backup right here. So we'll click on system backup, and currently there aren't any backups that have been created and stored locally. And if we create local backups, they'll be stored here in var log cp backup backups. So to create a new backup, we simply click on the backup button here. And if we're not saving it locally, we can save it to a server using SCP, FTP, or TFTP. So for this demonstration, let's go ahead and save it locally on this appliance. And with that radio button selected, we'll click Backup. And as it proceeds, it'll give us little update messages regarding its progress. And it's done. It saved it as a .tgz file in that specific folder as it indicated it would. And it took about 50 seconds. So if we click on OK here, we can now see that backup in our local backup name list right here. And if we wanted to schedule regular backups, which is a great idea, by the way, we click down here under Scheduled Backups, click Add Scheduled Backup. And then we can specify the name of the backup type, and also the schedule we want that backup to happen on. We also have the option of adding backups using the command line interface. So if we log out of the web user interface here, so here logged in directly at the console using the command line interface, we'll log in as admin, we'll supply the lab password for admin, and let's issue the command show space backups. And that's going to show us the existing backup that we just made a few moments ago from the web user interface. We can also do a show backup status, and if there was a backup that was currently in progress, it could show us that progress right here as well. And it's currently showing us that the last local backup succeeded, including its name and date. If we wanted to create a new backup, we could use the command add backup local, press enter, and it'll go to work creating yet another backup. If we want to see the status of that, we can use the command show backup status, and it shows us that we're at 13%. If we wait a little bit and do that same command again, it's going to show us 49%. And then eventually, when it's done, if we do a show backup status, it'll indicate that the local backup succeeded, including the file location, the name of the file, and the extension of .tgz. And we can also issue the command of show backups to take a look at the list of backups that are currently on this system locally. In this nugget, we've taken a look at how we can create backups using either the command line or the web user interface. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.